Walmart Oracle TikTok deal. What is it? I'm going to go and tell you guys and girls what is TikTok, what is Walmart and Oracle. If you don't know, I'm pretty sure everybody here probably know what Walmart is, but some people may not have heard of Oracle. We're going to talk about what Walmart and Oracle deal is. We're going to go through and we're going to read together what Walmart put out on Saturday about the deal, because that's the only official information that I got. Now, there are plenty of people writing about it, but I don't see anything from Oracle, but I do see something from Walmart. So they are in the deal. So I'm going to read through their deal, and I'm going to talk about what is a great way how you can invest and benefit off of the TikTok or Oracle deal if you like it. Walmart Oracle deal. So let me get in y'all comments. Let me see what you guys and girls are saying. He said, happy birthday, happy anniversary. That's my guy, Clarence. What's going on, Clarence? Y'all give a shout out to Duncan there. Appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in, man. Thanks for tuning in. I'm definitely going to be texting you after this show tonight. And she says, Cash App account. Cash App account. Miss Jacqueline. How you doing, Miss Jacqueline? She says technology. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, so without any further ado, let's jump into the Walmart Oracle deal. Here we go here. All right, we're going to go to Walmart. No, I want to see. Make sure I got the right one. Potential. All right, let's try this one first. All right, here we go. This is the right one right here, right, ladies and gentlemen? This is coming from Walmart Investor Relations. This is Walmart Investor Relations that are live right now, ladies and gentlemen. Of course. So the deal with TikTok. TikTok is a Chinese company. It's held by the Chinese government. And America didn't like that. When we downloaded that app, everybody was having fun. Heck, I even had TikTok for a little while. I think I still got it. I just don't utilize it that much. But with that being said, when we had TikTok, the Chinese, they had access to all these Americans' data, all these Americans' phones. So Trump didn't like that because America and China are not the most, we're not the friendliest, we're not allies, right, for the most part. So pretty much Trump just said, hey, either they're going to get out of America or they're going to sell it to somebody in America, and we're going to control that data. Either we're going to control that data or you can just take your country and take your TikTok and go somewhere else. So now that started a bidding war. People from Microsoft, people from Apple, it was so many companies, don't quote me on that, but so many companies was bidding for TikTok. So now what happened was Walmart and Oracle have came into play and said that, hey, we want to make a bid on TikTok. So ladies and gentlemen, let's go down some more here to see what they said. So right here, this is what they put out on Saturday, which was, I think it was Saturday. That was Saturday. Yeah. Okay. The president of ByteDance on TikTok has received a tentative approval from the U.S. government to resolve the outstanding issues, which will now include Oracle and Walmart working together to invest and acquire 20% of the new form TikTok Global. So right here, they're saying Walmart and Oracle will have 20% of TikTok. Now, we just saw earlier Walmart saying they want to buy 7.5. If Walmart is buying 7.5, what's left is 12.5. So that means that Oracle will have 12.5% of TikTok Global. As part of the deal, TikTok has created a new company called TikTok Global that will be responsible for providing all TikTok users in America the most user-friendly around the world. Today, the administration has conditionally approved a landmark deal where Oracle becomes TikTok cloud provider. Ladies and gentlemen, right here. Today, the administration has conditionally, upon some conditions, has approved a landmark deal where Oracle becomes TikTok secure cloud provider. Why is that so huge, ladies and gentlemen? This is huge because this is telling you Oracle is a cloud security cloud provider. So all of that data, when you log on to TikTok, like Facebook has all my data, YouTube has all my data. Instagram, everybody has my data. They got my phone number. They got my email address. They know how to contact me. They know how tall I am. What do I eat? When I lost weight, when I gained weight. Hypothetically speaking, I won't be surprised if they do have it. But they have all our data. And now that data is going to be controlled by Oracle. Let me know if you know what Oracle is. Oracle is a cloud computing company. So now, who would benefit most from this deal? How does Walmart make its money? And how does Oracle make its money? And ladies and gentlemen, how do you know when Walmart is making its money and when Oracle is making their money? You got to pick up your Investor Show cup and you got to read the financial reports. Reading the financial reports, ladies and gentlemen, will tell you, you look at the income statement and you go to streams of revenue, the top line is revenue. Revenue streams, what are coming in? How is this company making its money? How does Walmart make its money? How does Oracle make its money? Ladies and gentlemen, here we go here. Here we go. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to see how does Walmart make its money and how does Oracle make its money. This is how you're going to be able to tell who's benefiting the most out of the deal, right? So let's look at Walmart. How do they make their money? Which is pretty self-explanatory, but could be a learning lesson for people out there who don't read Walmart financial statements. But in the words of the great Kevin Hart, you're going to learn today. So let's learn today, ladies and gentlemen. The first one we're looking at, this is Walmart. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Walmart Q10 report. Let me know what a Q10 report is, ladies and gentlemen. This is the quarterly report. This one was filed. Here we go. Here we go here. This is a quarterly report. I think this one was filed. This was the latest one. Here we go. This was provided all the way to the end of July 31st. So let's stroll on down here, and you can go here at the top. Go to consolidated income statements. Condensed consolidated statements of income. We want to look at the income, right? So they tell you right here, there are two revenue streams: is net sales and membership and other. So majority of their right here, this is written in millions. So they made 136 billion from net sales ending in 2020. So you're talking about 99% of their money comes from net sales, selling things, right? That's how they make their money. Now let's take a look and see, how does Oracle make its money, ladies and gentlemen? And I'm showing you this so you can look this up yourself. You don't have to go by what somebody said and what you heard. Before we go into there, what's going on, Mike? Mike is out there in Toronto, Mr. Lemonade. Of course, I got a cup of lemonade. You can even put lemonade in your Investor Show cup too. He said, "Good evening, Prince. I hope you enjoyed your birthday." Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I did enjoy my birthday. I turned 36 years old on what's it, Saturday? Friday. Yep, Friday was my birthday, and my 11th year anniversary was Sunday. So my birthday and anniversary are right there next to each other. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's get to it. Let's see, how does this company called Oracle. Now, take you for example, you don't know anything about Oracle. You never heard of Oracle, anything like that. So I want to show you guys and girls how you can find a company you never heard of, don't know anything about, and how you can find how do they make their money. I think this is Walmart one. Let me share the correct screen here. Here we go. Let me stop sharing that one. I think I picked the wrong one. We're going to go down to this one. I believe it is. Yes, this is Oracle. This is Oracle 10 kilo. This is all the way ended into August 31st. 10Q report. Now, as we stroll down, you never heard of this company. You go here to their 10Q report, and we're going to go to the consolidated income statement. This is their balance. All right, here you go, their income statement right here. Boom. I don't want to see that one. I want to stroll up a little bit more. Okay, here we go. Oracle in the last 3 months. Look, cloud services and licensing support. This is in millions. So they made $6.9 billion in cloud services and licensing support. Then on their cloud licenses and on-premise licenses, I don't know what that is, they made 800 million. On hardware, they made 800 million. Services, they made 700 million. making a total revenue of 9.3 billion. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, I broke that down. I did the math, and I think that came out to be 75%. I did the math. I did the math on my show, ladies and gentlemen. 75%. I think that was like 75%. I know I did the math in here somewhere. Maybe I didn't write it down, but it was about 75% of their income comes from cloud services and licensing support. This is not me saying it. This is ended in August 30th. They made 6.9 billion in cloud services, and their total revenue was 9.3 billion. Prince, why is this important? Why are you telling me this? He says we're the same age. Nice. Appreciate it, Mike. He said we're the same age. Lemonade Brothers. Lemonade is the start, ladies and gentlemen. That's the inside joke. Mike pitched the company of Lemonade, and we kind of went through the company Lemonade. And I've been following the company Lemonade. This is an insurance company. And Mike hadn't been doing too well lately, but I know the whole market is down, so I'm not going to hold that on you. But I do watch it, and every time I see it, I think of Mike out in Canada. You know, I haven't met Mike before. I don't think I even seen a picture or video of Mike. I don't even know what Mike looked like. But yes, but you know, thanks, Mike, for tuning in. Been a very avid supporter. Ladies and gentlemen, why this is so important? 75% of Oracle's income comes from cloud services. Now, we just saw in the statement that was released by Walmart, they said that Walmart and Oracle deal together is going to compute for 7.5. Walmart and Oracle is going to compete for their whole market share is going to be 20%. Walmart said it's going to be 7.5. That means that Oracle is going to be 12.5. Now, also, they said that Oracle is going to be in charge of the cloud services for TikTok. Why is that so important? Because 75% of Oracle's income comes from cloud services. So 75% of their income, they made 6.3, then it was 6.3 we just saw, over $6 billion from cloud services. That's very important because now they have a 12% interest in TikTok. And we know, what did Walmart just say? TikTok is going to go public. This company, within the next 12 months, they're lining it up to go public. They automatically got two major companies like Walmart and Oracle pushing them to become public. So now you can see how this will become profitable for Oracle. For now, what does this mean to investors? How do you interpret this as an investor? If you are a TikTok fanatic, if you're a TikTok person, if you're big into TikTok, or if you're big into the cloud computing services and you're looking for the next big thing, Oracle could be your guy. Because we know that all this information, they just reported in this report, TikTok has 100 million users. With the 100 million users, all that data now is going to go to Oracle. That's a new revenue stream. Plus, when it makes its initial public offering and it becomes public, it's going to be big. Now, am I big into TikTok? No, I'm not big into TikTok at all, ladies and gentlemen, because you know, Facebook is the king of social media. It has Facebook and Instagram. You have Twitter out there. You have Snapchat out there. But as you can see, Facebook is just dominating with zero debt. It has zero debt and it's just massively, you know, growing over time, and it's biting and eating up the little guys. And you've seen immediately, what did Instagram do? What did Facebook do? They created a reel. YouTube created a TikTok. Instagram created a TikTok, or whatever the case may be. So now when you look at all this information, of all this competition, I'm not crazy about it, but this could open up a door. If you are someone who invests into the future, you can look at a company like, I believe it's going to be more beneficial to Oracle than it will Walmart. Because we just saw Walmart make its money by selling. I'm pretty sure Walmart would throw some ads on there and, you know, cultivate a younger audience or whatnot. But I don't really see how it can grow that top line. I'm looking at who's going to have that top line growth. And I can look at the top line. When I'm speaking of top line, ladies and gentlemen, when we just looked at that income statement, what was the first thing at that top line? The top line was revenue streams. And the top revenue stream that I saw had to be TikTok. I mean, it had to be Walmart top line revenue. Majority of its top line revenue came from net sales. TikTok top line revenue came from cloud computing. So immediately, TikTok is going to make money, my ladies and gentlemen, brother. I seen Clarence wrote, he said, thanks, bro. So I wrote brother. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, TikTok is going to make more money off of the deal, I believe, than Walmart will. Yes, Walmart, it's a great deal for them to market themselves and maybe do some fulfillment in e-commerce, but immediately all that data has to be maintained by somebody. And that's immediately how that's the bread and butter of Oracle. That's how they make their money. So I can see it being beneficial to Oracle more so than TikTok. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not looking at saying, oh, TikTok is a great investment. I'm breaking this down as an investor and using the financial fundamentals to say that this deal is probably going to be more beneficial to Oracle, which is trading for $60 versus Walmart, I think is around 130 bucks. That's my thought process. What do y'all think of that?